Children, in the previous class, I taught you about comparison of fractions. That is, which fraction is better in each pair. Today also, I shall continue the same topic, that is comparison of fractions, but the sums are different. You have to arrange the fractions in descending order. Now, what is descending order? Descending order means bigger to smaller. And ascending order means smaller to bigger. So now you have to arrange sum number exercise 4F, sum number B, arrange in descending order. Sum number 1, the fractions are 2 by 3, 5 by 6 and 3 by 4. So first you have to take the LCM of the denominators 3, 6 and 4. So here I shall use repeated division method. The LCM of 3, 6 and 4. So first divide them by 2. 3 is not divisible, copy it down. 6 divided by 2, 3. 4 divided by 2, 2. Again by 2, 3, 3, 1. Again by 3, 1, 1, 1. So LCM is equal to 2 to the 4, 4 3s are 12. So 2 into 2 into 3, that is 12. Now children, you write the fractions 2 by 3, 5 by 6 and 3 by 4. So you have to make the denominators of the three fractions 12 because your LCM of the denominators is 12. So by which number you have to multiply so that you can bring the denominator of a fraction 2 by 3, 12. So 3 into 4 and also you have to multiply the numerator also with the same number 4. 2 into 4, so 8 by 12. Again, you have to make the denominator of the fraction 5 by 6 also 12. So 6 into 2, 12. And you have to multiply the numerator also with the same number 2. So 5 2s are 10, 6 2s are 12. Again, see children, in the fraction 3 by 4, you have to make the denominator 12. So by which number you have to multiply 4? So 4 into 3, 12. So the numerator also you have to multiply with the same number 3. So it is 9 by 12. Now considering only numerators. So which one is better among, because the denominators are same, so which numerator is better, 8, 10 or 9? So 10 is better than 8, is better than 10, is better than 9, is better than 8. So 10 by 12 is better than 9 by 12 is better than 8 by 12. Therefore, 10 by 12 means which number? 5 by 6 is greater than 3 by 4 is greater than 2 by 3. So, the answer is the fractions arranged in descending order is 5 by 6 greater than 3 by 4 greater than 2 by 3. Now see children, sum number 3. Here there are 4 fractions. 5 by 8, 7 by 12, 9 by 16, 11 by 18. Again you have to take the LCM of the denominators 8, 12, 16 and 18. So you take the LCM of 8, 12, 16 and 18. Here also I shall use repeated division method. First divide them by 2. So 4, 6, 8, 9. Again divide them by 2, 2, 3, 4, 9. Again divide them by 2, 1, 3, 2, 9. Again divide them by 2, 1, 3, 1, 9. Again divide them by 3, next prime number, because 3 and 9 both are odd numbers, 1, 1, 1, 3. Again divide them by 3, 1, 1, 1, 3. So LCM here it will be 1. So LCM equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So 16 into 9. So 9 6 are 54. Carrying 5, 9 was a 9 plus 5, 14. Now children, write the fractions. This sum is very much big. So 5 by 8 equal to 7 by 12 equal to 9 by 16 equal to and 11 by 18 equal to. Now children, you have to make the denominators of the four fractions 144. So by which number you have to multiply that so that you get 144? One thing you can do children, you can divide 144 in the rough, you can divide 144 by 8. So 8 ones are 8. So 14 minus 8, 6. So 8 8s are 64. So it will be, you have to multiply it by 18. So here also 5 into 18. Because with the same number you have to multiply the numerator and the denominator. So here 144 and 8 5s are 40, carrying 4, 5 and 5, 90. Again you see 12 into 12, 144. So you have to multiply 12 into 12. Again this 7 also by 12 with the same number you have to multiply because you have to bring in the numerator, in the denominator 144 as the same is 144. So 144, 7 2s are 14, 7 1s are 7, 8. Again you have to multiply 16 into how much? 144. So better if you can't do it, 16 into 9 6 are 54, carrying 5, 9 1s are 9 plus 5, 14. So you have to multiply this numerator also by 9. So 9 into 9, 16 into 9, that is 144 by 8. This is 81 by 144. Now 11 by 18. So 18 into 8, 144. Also 11 into 8, 88. So 88 by 144. See children, all the denominators are same. 144, 144, 144, 144. So you have to now consider the numerators 90, 84, 81 and 88. So now considering only the numerators, or only you write now considering only numerators, numerators. Now, which one is better among 90, 84, 81, 88? So, 90 is greater than 88. 88 is greater than 84 and 84 is greater than 81. So, 90 by 144 is greater than 88 by 144, divided by 144. 84 by 144, 81 by 144. So 90 by 144 is greater than 88 by 144, is greater than 84 by 144, is greater than 81 by 144. So therefore 90 by 144 means 5 by 8 is greater than 11 by 18, because 88 by 144 equal to 11 by 18. 84 by 144 is equal to 7 by 12 and 81 by 144 is equal to 9 by 16. So answer, the fractions arranged in descending order is 5 by 8, 11 by 18, greater than 7 by 12, greater than 9 by 16. Now children, let's do sum number 3. So you have to arrange the fractions 11 by 15, 7 by 10, 3 by 5 and 13 by 18 in ascending order. So first you find out the LCM of the denominators, that is of 15, 10, 5 and 18. Here also I shall use repeated division method. So 15, 10, 5, 18. So first divide them by 2. So 15, 5, 5, 9. Again divide them by 3, 5, 5, 5, 3. Again divided by 3, 5, 5, 5, 1. Again divide them by 5, 1, 1, 1, 1. So LCM equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So 2 5s are 10 and 3 3s are 9. So 9 10s are 90. Now children, you write the fractions. 11 by 15, 7 by 10, 3 by 5 and 13 by 18. So in the denominator you have to bring 90. So in the denominator of the 4 fractions you have to bring 90. So 15 into how much? 90. 15 into 6. 90. So you have to multiply the numerator also. 11 into 6. So it is 66 by 90. Now children, you see 7 by 10. So you have to bring in the denominator 90. So 10 into 9 and 7 into. So in the numerator also you have to multiply 7 by 9. The same number. So 7 9s are 63. 10 9s are 90. Again children, you see 3 by 5. So you have to bring 90. So 5 into 18, 90. So you have to multiply the numerator also by 18. So 3 into 18. So 18 3s are 54 and 18 into 5, 90. Now 18 into how much? 90. 18 into 5, 90. And 13 into 5, because it's the same number, you have to multiply the numerator also. So 13 into 5, 65 by 90. Now children, you have to arrange them in ascending order. That means from smaller to bigger. So considering only the numerators. So denominators are same. So which one is the smallest numerator? So 54. So 54 is less than 63. 63 is less than 65 and 65 is less than 66. So 54 by 90 is less than 63 by 90 is less than 65 by 90 is less than 66 by 90. Therefore, 54 by 90 means 3 by 5. So 3 by 5 is less than 63 by 90 equal to 7 by 10. 65 by 90 equal to 13 by 18. And 66 by 90 equal to 11 by 15. Answer: the fractions arranged in ascending order is 3 by 5, 3 by 5 is less than 7 by 10, is less than 13 by 18, is less than 11 by 15. That's all for today. Thank you. Children, take your homework.